Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to get the activation code for Aviator Predictor version 4.0 quickly and safely. Start by opening your browser and searching for Aviator Predictor GitHub. From the results, tap on the very first link that shows up. Once you're on the GitHub page, scroll down until you see the section for the Aviator Predictor. Make sure you select the correct 4.0 version before clicking on it. On the next page, scroll down again and you'll find the activation codes along with the login details. These are provided completely free once you register on the official Aviator Predictor website. That means you don't have to bother with fake code generators or risky third-party tools. Just register, grab your activation code, and you're all set to start using Aviator Predictor version 4.0 without any hassle. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. This video is not affiliated with Aviator Predictor, and it does not promote gambling or third-party software. Always download files responsibly and only from trusted sources. And that's how you get your activation code for Aviator Predictor version 4.0. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.